Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. So today we are having sausage and sweet sauerkraut with potatoes. All right, the first thing we're going to need is to grab my potatoes that I scrubbed and washed and cut. And we're just doing, because we want them done. We don't want to take forever. Okay. 4 cups of potatoes, 2 ropes of your favorite smoked sausage, and I cut them pretty, but that's maybe, I don't know, I'm not good at math, maybe an inch. Pour those in, and then my favorite is this. So that's what I use, two of these ropes. Okay, and then we're going to go in with I like to use the sweet sauerkraut, just 1 can. Also, 1 cup of chicken broth. I have used, if you don't have chicken broth and you got the powder, this is what I use because it was only 1 cup. I didn't want to open up a whole container. So 1 cup of the powder with 3/4 teaspoon, okay? In case you're doing it that way. So let's pour that in. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I just want to break that up. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that was going to bother me if I didn't do that. Okay, 2 tablespoons of butter. Onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, tablespoon of mustard. I don't have regular mustard, or I don't have Dijon mustard or regular mustard. So I'm going with stone ground because that's what I have. This is me making it make. Okay. 1 onion chopped up. All right. Let's give it a stir. We're going to want to cook this 3 to 4 hours on high. If you're cooking on low, double the time. That looks good to me. I'm going to cook mine on high today. Okay, so I had to add 1 more cup of water, or you could go ahead and add another cup of broth. I just threw water in there. I didn't want it to be dry. The potatoes soaked up the water. I mean, the broth. I mean, it is not dry. I hope you could see that. And this smells great. Okay. Bust and move. All right, let me see. I think I need more potato. Get that potato in there. All right. And the sauerkraut that I used had caraway seed in it. I don't know if you can see the seeds. I mean, it's not like it's loaded with seeds. You can barely tell, but I like it. I mean, I like caraway seeds. Okay, so the onions are translucent. Potatoes are done. And they like to soak up that really good flavor. Hot. Oh, that was super hot. I just want to taste that onion, a little bit of that. Oh, and wait, hold on. I just didn't want to stick a whole piece in my mouth and burn it. Onion, some sauerkraut. And now my hand is getting hot. Okay, I just want to taste everything together. Oh, that does taste good. The touch of brown sugar with that sauerkraut, sweet sauerkraut. This is not like over sweet or anything. It's not like sweetie sweet or anything like that. Slightly, very slightly sweet. Like the only one that's gonna know that you threw a tablespoon of sugar in there is you, brown sugar. So this is not overwhelming, but it is good. It is delicious. I like the way the potatoes sucked up that seasoning from the sauerkraut and the sausage. So I hope you like it too on this hot squelching day. So it's 100 degrees here in Iowa. Where are you watching from and how hot is it? Friends, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. But friends, most of all, keep cooking. I love you all.